take the lug nuts off. Use a 21mm socket and remove the wheel. Remove this cover. There's 2 bolts right here. Take those out. There's another one back here behind this, and then right there. And they're all 10mm bolts. Use a 10mm socket. Take those out. Now I just slide this cover out of the way. The belt tensioner is right here. You can use a 19mm socket on a ratchet, or if you have a belt tensioner tool, you can use that as well. Loosen up the tension on the belt and then slide the belt off. Take this bolt out, use a 17mm socket. And you can move this around a little bit. Now take this bolt out, just move the belt out of your way a little bit and use a 12mm socket. That bolt out, and you can grab the whole tensioner. Take the new tensioner and line this up, put the bolt in, get the bolt started. If you can get a torque wrench in here, torque this bolt up to 15 foot-pounds. And line this bolt up. Then torque this bolt to 60 foot-pounds. Now take the serpentine belt, make sure it's around all the pulleys. If it moved, make your adjustments. And take the tensioner and loosen the tension on the tensioner and slide the belt over. And that looks good. And take the cover, slide it in position. And take the bolts, get those lined up. There's 2 that go over here. And then there's 2 that go in the front that you can't really see. Put the wheel back on. And the lug nuts. Now I'm going to torque the lug nuts to 80 foot-pounds in a cross pattern to tighten the wheel down evenly. I'll just go around again, double check.